Data panel. The data panel is located in our quick access toolbar. And here is the show data panel. When I click it on, it shows my data panel, which hides all the or has all the information that either is our folders in our data, and it's a new way of working on the cloud, or it's with its people. We can turn this off by closing the X here, and it goes away, so it doesn't eat up our graphic real estate. So once again, we turn on our data panel, and here's what we have. We have some tools here like refresh. We refresh our data in our data panel. We have search, so we can search for any desired documents we want. We have the data button. This data button shows us the list of folders and documents that we have in our data panel. We also have people. The people actually shows us a list of people that are invited to work on a project within these files that we're working on. We also have back in data, we have upload. Upload can upload files of selected file or files to any active project. We can create a new folder, and we also have settings, so we can configure the settings for our data panel. And so the data panel is a new way of looking at things and collaborating with people, with other users in our designs. So we can add members to our projects, we can import data from other sources, and these are all available. And when we're not working on it, we can close the panel and have more graphic real estate, so we can design our product in the designs area over here. So this is called the data panel, and it's located in the quick access toolbar.